Okay, this is the Grim Workshop subscription for February 2025. Yeah. Okay, so first thing we have is a lockpick kit dog tag. I'm actually happy about this. So I can add this to the wallet. Okay. Um, looks like a regular, a rake, and a tension wrench, which is actually pretty cool. So it's cool. Next, I don't know what's going on here. I, I have no idea what's going on here. It's 950 for the lockpick thing. Okay, it's a hunting and trapping card. Grimm's new unreleased hunting and trapping card. See, you get unreleased stuff and all that, too. Okay, hunting and trapping. Snare triggers. So this is unreleased. Yeah. See, that's what you get when you get Grim Workshop. You can sometimes you get like unreleased stuff. You know, first looks and first of these. You know. Okay, so Grimm's new unreleased hunting and trapping card is designed to have several elements to land based through procurement. Each OG, the G-shaped sections marked as a snare trigger, as a snare triggers, can be interlocked into a L7 shape to hold downstream poles. The saw included can be used to craft traps, arrows, or spear points. With the included spear points on each card, each item can be returned to the card thanks to the black tool tension included with the card. This is what I like. I do, you know. This is definitely going into my post-apocalypse thing, because that is really nice. That is 1995. So Elisa. Oh, hey. Wait, what is this? Oh, oh, wow. Anyway, tip card 1 stick figure 4 trap. That's nice. That's 180. Both the tip cards are 185. Okay, this guide gives you helpful information on how to make a 1 stick figure 4 trap. Each tip card is weatherproof and da. Okay. Next one is tip card. Fire from trash. Yeah. Also, wouldn't you? Oh, I know how it's working. Okay, so how this? Okay, basically how this works is you have water in the jug, right? And you use it like a magnifying glass if you have no magnifying glass during the day. So that's how that works. Okay. Now to read, okay, for the lockpick kit dog tag, Grimm's lockpick dog tag gives you the tools for freedom in a micro-sized package. These tools are a part of Grimm Workshop's extensive dog tag collection. Okay. Grimm's dog tag survival lockpicking kit features a fully functioning, reusable lockpicking kit. Wait. Okay. Features a full that's the same size as standard dog tag. Included multi lockpicks as well as a multiple tension wrench tools. So yeah, yeah. This is what I like about Grim Workshop, because if you subscribe to this, you can get like things like this that are unreleased. This actually confused the crap out of me though. But yeah, this is going on to the wallet. If you order, the code we got is this, because I like. Also, we could also probably fashion spear points. This. This is Captain's Edge. It's out the package. So you know. Anyway, I'm actually happy. This looks really nice. Yeah. An unreleased thing. My God, that's cool. I generally do like getting the subscription. I do enjoy getting the stuff in it because I know I could either use it or prep it. Yeah. Anyway, this has been Postbox Bible. Hope you saw in the Wasteland. Peace.